Have you ever wondered, how do you use a mannequin? Maybe it's just used for expositions or used to draw with, like a paintbrush. In this video, we are going to cover all the tricks, methods, and ways to use these model mannequins. We are going to divide this video in 5 parts. What is the mannequin used for? Well, unlike some people think, it's not made for drawing the circles and shapes that are already shown. It's made to check if the position you want your character to be in is possible. It's also useful for knowing which parts are shown on your drawing and which are hidden. How do you draw a body? It's quite easy once you know all the techniques, which I am going to teach you right now. I usually start with the face, a circle, close to the top of the page. Then make a line, as if you were drawing a stick figure. You can see everything is in specific proportions. Next, draw the waist in a simple line. Then make 2 lines, a little longer than the first body line, touching the tips of the waist line. Then make the shoulders, the size of the waist line. Then the arms, the line stopping around the thighs, like on the mannequin. Erase the guidelines, just so you can still see them a bit. For the face, make a simple circle line curve, as shown. Make the neck, the shoulders, and still lines for the arms. Make a line in the middle of the upper body for the chest, and sketch out as such. Start making the legs again, outlining of the clothing you will put on it. Erase the guidelines again. Now just add details. Some frequent mistakes are trying to directly copy the mannequin, which does not end up as a normal human shape. Tip: try to make simple shapes first. Only once you are sure that you are done with your drawing, do the details, or else you will end up erasing too much. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.